Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. This passage is for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana Triple S and stenotypist exam. Be ready for the dictation. Start. It is obvious that in a civilized society, the importance of child welfare cannot be overemphasized because the welfare of the entire community, its growth and development depend on the health and well-being of its children. Full stop. Children are a supremely important national asset and the future well-being of the nation depends on how its children grow and develop. Full stop. The great poet Milton put it admirably when he said, child shows the man as morning shows the day, and the study team on social welfare said much to the same effect when it observed that the physical and mental health of the nation is determined largely by the manner in which it is shaped in the early stages. Full stop. The child is a soul with a being, a nature and capacities of its own who must be helped to find them, to grow into their maturity, into fullness of physical and vital energy and the utmost breadth, depth and height of its emotional, intellectual and spiritual being, otherwise there cannot be a healthy growth of the nation. Full stop. Now obviously children need special protection because of their tender age and physique, mental immaturity and incapacity to look after themselves. Full stop. That is why there is a growing realization in every part of the globe that children must be brought up in an atmosphere of love and affection and under the tender care and attention of parents so that they may be able to attain full emotional, intellectual and spiritual stability and maturity and acquire self confidence and self respect and a balanced view of life with full appreciation and realization of the role which they have to play in the nation building process, without which the nation cannot develop and attain real prosperity, because a large segment of the society would then be left out of the developmental process. Full stop. In India, this consciousness is reflected in the provisions enacted in the Constitution. Full stop. Clause within bracket 3 of Article 15 enables the state to make special provisions inter alia for children, and Article 24 provides that no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any other hazardous employment. Full stop. Clauses within bracket E and within bracket F of Article 39 provide that the state shall direct its policy towards securing inter alia that the tender age of children is not abused, that citizens are not forced by economic necessity to enter avocations unsuited to their age and strength, and that children are given facility to develop in a healthy manner and in conditions of freedom and dignity, and that childhood and youth are protected against exploitation and against moral and material abandonment. Full stop.
These constitutional provisions reflect the great anxiety of the constitution makers to protect and safeguard the interest and welfare of children in the country. Full stop. The government of India has also, in pursuance of these constitutional provisions, evolved a national policy for the welfare of children. Full stop. The nation's children are a supremely important asset. Full stop. Their nurture and solicitude are our responsibility. Full stop and over.
सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी, 100 से कम थी, बट विद फ्लक्चुएशन हम इसे 100 WPM बोल सकते हैं। और इसमें कॉमन वर्ड्स थे। तो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस फॉर स्टेनो एग्जाम्स, मोस्टली लीगल एग्जाम्स, लीगल डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।